How to change your Twitter settings to see sensitive content. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can find your Twitter settings to enable to be able to view sensitive content after the new update. First, what you want to do is open up the Twitter app and log into your account. You'll get a page like this. Tap on the profile grid or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and head into settings and support, and under settings and support head into settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, what you want to do is scroll down and you'll find the option privacy and safety. You can see it right there on the screen right here. Tap on it and here you'll find the option content you see. You can see the third option. Tap on it and you will find the option that display media that may contain sensitive content. Simply toggle the switch on and you'll be able to see sensitive contents on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.